Imagine this. Someone borrows $50 from you to start their small business. Over time, they repay your $50 plus, say, $5 extra as a thank you for trusting them. That's a 10% return. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you there's a strategy so simple, so easiest, that anyone, even beginners investors, can start today, and you don't need a lot to get started? Imagine earning $7,000 monthly with zero risk. It's not just a dream. It's achievable with the right strategy. But wait, we're just getting started. What if you could own a tiny piece of a big company, or even a slice of a skyscraper? Sounds fancy, right? Don't worry, I'll show you how it works. Stick with me because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the unprecedented and easiest investment strategy in the world. A step-by-step plan that's safe, effective, and designed for people just like you. Before we start it, make sure to help others discover this valuable content by hitting that like button. Alright, let's take this up a notch. Imagine owning a slice of Apple, Tesla, or even a luxury skyscraper downtown. Sounds like the kind of thing reserved for billionaires, doesn't it? Not anymore. Thanks to fractional investing, you can now own pieces of these big, exciting opportunities with just a few bucks in your pocket. Here's how it works. Stocks and ETFs. Ever looked at the price of a single Tesla stock and thought, wow, that's way out of my budget? With apps like Robinhood or Public, you don't need to buy the whole stock. You can purchase a fraction of it. Literally just $1 gets you started. So the next time someone talks about Tesla's growth, you can proudly say, yep, I'm an investor too. Oh, and if you're curious about how Robinhood works and the game-changing features it offers, stick around. I've got a bonus video for you at the end that you won't want to miss. Real estate crowdfunding. Dreamed of being a real estate mogul, but didn't have a fortune to start? Apps like Fundrise make it easy. For as little as $10, you can invest in massive real estate projects. Think high-rise buildings, rental properties, or even commercial spaces. It's like owning a piece of that shiny property downtown without needing to win the lottery. This is more than just a cool opportunity. It's your chance to become a part owner of something extraordinary while your money quietly works for you in the background. And here's the cherry on top: diversification. By spreading your money across stocks, ETFs, and real estate, you're creating a solid financial foundation and reducing risk. So you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Speaking of baskets, how do you keep all your investments safe and balanced? Let's figure that out next. Alright, let's see how to keep your money safe while still growing it. Picture this. You're carrying a big basket full of eggs. If you accidentally drop it, every single egg could break. Total disaster, right? But now imagine you have several smaller baskets, and you spread the eggs among them. Even if one basket falls, the others are still perfectly safe. That's exactly what diversification does for your investments. It protects your money by spreading it out. Here's how you can create your own baskets to keep your money both safe and growing. High-yield savings accounts, HYSAs, think of this as your ultra-cushion basket. HYSAs are super safe places to park your money, offering higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. Your money is always accessible, and it's FDIC insured, so you'll never have to worry about losing it. Treasury bonds. These are the rock-solid eggs that never crack. Backed by the U.S. government, Treasury bonds provide steady, reliable growth with practically zero risk. It's like lending money to a super secure friend who always pays you back with a little extra. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Imagine a single basket filled with pieces of hundreds of different stocks. That's what an ETF does. It spreads your investment across multiple companies. So even if one stock underperforms, the others can balance it out. It's an easy way to get a diversified slice of the market without the hassle of picking individual stocks. Real estate crowdfunding. Ever wanted to invest in real estate without buying a whole house? Crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise let you own a share in major real estate projects, from apartment buildings to commercial properties. This basket not only adds diversification, but also offers the potential for regular income through property earnings. By splitting your money into these different baskets, you're building a robust safety net. If one area doesn't perform well, the others can step in and keep your portfolio growing. It's like having multiple backup plans working together to secure your future. Diversification isn't just a smart strategy. It's peace of mind for your financial journey. Now that you've got your basket sorted, let's talk about keeping more of the money you earn. Ready to learn some smart tax tricks? Let's understand this next. But first, if you're enjoying this content or finding it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out and makes sure you don't miss any of our future videos. Here's something nobody tells you when you start investing. You don't have to give away all your hard-earned money to taxes. Yep, there are smart, totally legal ways to keep more of what you earn. Let me introduce you to one of the best tools for this, the Roth IRA. Think of a Roth IRA as a magic piggy bank. Here's how it works. You put in money that you've already paid taxes on. Simple, right? That money grows over time. Hello, compound interest. And when you're ready to take it out in the future, guess what? It's tax-free. Yep, all yours, no strings attached. And the best part, you can contribute up to $6,500 a year. That's plenty of room to grow your savings for big dreams like your first house or even retirement. So now you're keeping more of your money. But what if I told you there's a way to make it grow even faster, all while you sit back and relax? Let's talk about that next. All right, now we've reached the really fun part, making your money grow even faster without doing any extra work. Sounds like magic, right? It's not magic. It's called reinvesting, and it's a total game changer. Here's the idea. Imagine you plant a tree and it starts growing fruit. Instead of eating all the fruit, you plant some of the seeds to grow even more trees. Before you know it, you've got a whole orchard. That's exactly what happens when you reinvest the money you earn from your investments. Here's how it works. When you earn dividends, interest, or returns, don't spend them. Put them right back into your investments. Over time, this creates a snowball effect where your money earns more money, and that money earns even more money. Pretty cool, huh? And guess what? Apps like Acorns make it super easy. They'll round up your spare change from everyday purchases and automatically invest it for you. It's like your money is working behind the scenes 24/7. To accelerate your results and access something that can really transform your path, I created an ebook based on the best strategies and practices that I use and recommend. Click on the link in the pinned comment to access. So, are you ready to watch your orchard grow? Now, let's put it all together and talk about how to reach that big goal of $7,000 a month. All right, now that you've got all the tools and strategies, let's bring it together and imagine what your journey to $7,000 a month could look like. It's not just a dream. It's a plan you can work towards step by step. Here's the deal. Start small with what you have, even if it's just $100 or $1,000. Use that money wisely by spreading it across safe, smart investments, your baskets. Every month, add a little more, reinvest what you earn, and let the power of compounding do its thing. Now picture this. Over time, your investments grow bigger, like that orchard of trees we talked about. One day, your monthly returns aren't just a few dollars, they're hundreds, then thousands. That's how you reach the goal of $7,000 a month. The best part? You're building this in a way that works for you, without taking big risks or stressing over complicated stuff. It's all about consistency and making your money work as hard as you do. So, are you ready to get started? Plant that first seed today, and your future self will thank you. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. I chose this video, which is one of the best I've ever made, to help you understand how to accumulate wealth.